Hi everyone, hope all of you all staying home, stay safe. Here is fresh homemade pizza, right from the dough, homemade. My first baking in my new OTG. Before we go in detail about the video, let me first welcome everyone to Latu's Kitchen. You're visiting first time to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe after watching the video. If you like the video, leave a like. Find it useful, do share. That really means a lot to us. Yes, today the recipe is homemade pizza. The dough base, which I'm not sharing at this moment because the video may go a little lengthy. To make it simple, I'll post it in my next video maybe. This is the dough which I have made the pizza base. You need to prick it with a fork. You can use the ready-made store-bought base for this recipe. Yes, it works well. Tomato sauce, I'm not using any pizza sauce, just the simple tomato sauce and Italian herbs. I've also added some Italian herbs in my base while I'm making the base. Some chili flakes to make it spicy. If you don't want spicy, you can avoid. Square shaped capsicum. Vegetables is of your choice. So I'm making simple veg pizza with capsicum and onions. Olives, yes. Olives goes in, capsicum, onion. These are the veggies. Grate the cheese. Sprinkle more herb if you want. The more cheese goes in, the better taste the pizza. Now here, it goes into the center in my oven. Bajaj OTG. I've already posted the unboxing, how to use it. In my previous video, you may want to take a look. I'll give the link in the description box. It goes into the middle area. Now switch on the oven. Timer, I kept it for 20 minutes. Ensure the selector is on the right side so that it heats from the down rod up rod. For baking, it needs both. And the temperature is at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. It's baking nicely. I could really get the aroma. The house full of aroma of baking and the herbs. It's a great feel when you bake your pizza at home. That's really a different feel altogether, especially in this lockdown time. If you're really scared of getting stuff from outside, then this is the way to go. With a basic ingredient, you can make a wonderful pizza. Trust me, it was too good. We all really enjoyed it. Hope you're going to give it a try and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Would love to answer. Thank you so much for tuning into Latu's Kitchen. Looking forward to seeing you back again. Thank you.